Hello. Welcome to our short overview of the new output settings component that is now part of Typhoon HIL Schematic Editor. Starting from software version 2021.2, you are able to parametrize all I/O connections between a controller and the HIL device within Schematic Editor. That means that all the relevant information about the power stage model and its connections with the physical controller are held in the schematic file. Up until now, only solution to setting up digital and analog signals was in HIL SCADA through creating a corresponding .runx file and rerunning the file every time you compiled a model. Now, you can use the output settings component to set all signal outputs in the model. With this component, all outputs are centralized and available for interactive HIL simulation in SCADA mode, without the need to create a .runx file, or dedicate lines of code within automated tests. Those same parameters can be changed during the simulation as well and easily reverted. Right now, voltage and current measurements, probes, and digital probes are supported, but in future software versions this feature will be expanded to include output signals from other components in the library, like machines. This allows more flexibility for different controller and power stage configurations. The model can be parameterized in Schematic Editor based on a power rating parameter, such as passive components, voltages, or others. Additionally, analog output scaling and connections can be adjusted within the model as well. The output settings component also provides benefits in C-HIL applications where it is needed to package power stage models for controller HIL and library components that can be easily reused and shared. Since signal output settings are set in Schematic Editor, these packaged components will be plug-and-play ready, without the need for manually scaling adjustments in HIL SCADA. In larger systems, where multiple controllers and multiple HILs are included, associating one controller to another HIL device meant redefining each output setting manually. Now, it is only needed to change the HIL ID within the output settings component, and all controller settings are maintained. If you need multiple copies of an externally controlled unit model, simply set the output settings once, and copy and paste the model in Schematic Editor. All settings will be maintained, meaning you won't have to change settings in SCADA, rapidly accelerating your model creation. Let's summarize the benefits of this feature. The AODO signal settings can now be done from the model schematic file. Better model version control by eliminating the need for setup in HIL SCADA or in standalone tests. Power stage models for C-HIL are packaged in library components without the need for manual scaling adjustments in SCADA. In larger systems, with a multi-HIL setup and multiple controllers, associating a controller with another HIL is easier. If you have any additional questions or topics that you would like us to cover, let us know in comments. Thank you for watching.